To start off with, I went into this lilac face paint and I just painted on a mask shape across my face. I left a gap in the middle so that I could paint on the moon, and I went into a white face paint and I painted on this big bright moon. I wanted the moon to be pink, so I went into this pink face paint and I started to shade the moon and make it look a bit more realistic with a grey paint and pink and purpley tones. I then went into a black face paint and I painted on the silhouette of a spooky haunted house. Painted on yellow windows onto the haunted house to make it look a bit more spooky. I painted a couple of big bats flying over the moon, and honestly I know I always complain about my bats, but I think they're actually getting better. I then added some foundation onto the normal part of my face, and then I went into a black face paint and I outlined the mask. I then went into a black eyeshadow and I started to shade around that line just to make it look a bit more 3D and like that the mask is sitting on top of the face. I went into this dark purple shade from this eyeshadow palette and I just shaded around the edges of the mask. I also went into this white shimmery colour which is called Glass Glow, and I just added highlight to the face, and then I also added eyeshadow on the regular eye. I then put on my Luna wig from Lulabelle's and I went into this Kat Von D Studded Kiss lipstick in the colour Eggplant, and I put that on my lips. I added a white mesh contact lens in the side where the mask is, and this is the finished look. I hope it does actually look like a mask. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and it's given you some spooky Halloween inspiration. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!